Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix connection issues of your Baseus Bowie M2 Plus. So, to fix connection issues, for example when you cannot find them on available devices list or you have unstable connection, you have to basically input the left and the right earbud inside this charging case. You have to keep that case open, rotate the case and find this button. You have to click and hold this button for 5 seconds, hold it until this indicator on the front blinks 3 times. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it, take a look for the indicator. 1, 2, 3 and right now release. To finish this process, just close this case and this time just simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your device. Next, open this charging case, keep that case open to your phone, click to pair your device, and right now you will be able to pair them for one more time. So yeah, that's all for this video, hope you like it.